Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you everything that can fit in my little mini pochette. I thought it would be a really interesting, helpful video. I know I got a lot of hits on my other one, unboxing the mini pochette, so I obviously can tell a lot of people are on the hunt for it or interested in it. So I thought this would be a helpful follow-up video. So yeah, if you guys want to watch it, then, or if you guys want to see what fits in my mini pochette, then just keep on watching. And as always, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. Alright guys, I know I look exactly the same as I did in my last video. I actually had like so much energy because I did my makeup, my hair is kind of somewhat done. I actually filmed my Amazon haul, so if you haven't watched that, I will link it up here somewhere. And so then I was like, you know what, let's go for it and film another one. So that's why I kind of look the same, in case you guys were wondering. But yeah, so this is my mini pochette, you guys. I freaking love it. I haven't been able to go out much, obviously. But I did want to give you just some more information if you guys are interested. I also will, if you haven't watched my unboxing, definitely watch it. I'll also link it up here. I know I do talk a lot in that video, you guys. I even put like in the description like when I actually unbox it. I wanted to be like very informative and helpful because I figured a lot of people are looking for this item and it's so freaking hard to get. So I just wanted to give all the information that I wish I would have had, or like in one freaking video and not having to watch thousands of videos. So anyway, yeah, so this is a mini pochette. I did want to show, okay, so first I actually want to compare it with the pochette that comes in the Neverfull, which is another bag that I have. So this is the difference, you guys. Obviously it's completely different. The one that comes with the Neverfull is completely flat, which I know a lot of people don't really care for it or don't like it. I like it. I think it's super cute, and if you want to wear it inside the bag, or you want to wear it with the bag or just on its own, it's perfect. I feel like they're completely different in the sense that, like, obviously this is more wider, this is obviously really flat. So I just wanted to show you, compare that. But anyway, so this is my mini pochette, you guys. And so I will just kind of pull out everything that I have in here, but I really personally don't like the look of it like being like super full to where like it literally looks here that it's like bulging out. Like I don't like that. I want it to look just like it's not being stretched out and overfilled. So anyway, so I would just kind of pull everything out. So the first thing just off the top here is lip gloss that I have in here. I always have to have some kind of chapstick. I always have to have chapstick or lip gloss in my bag. So there's that. I also have this little mini like lipstick, which is obviously really helpful. I really like lip liner, but when it comes to this, I'm not willing to risk like the top coming off. So you definitely, as just my recommendation is, obviously make sure you have stuff that has a really tight lid that you can screw on, that's not gonna destroy the inside of your bag. My keys are also in here. Obviously, like if you're scared of it getting scratched up inside, I don't know if that's a thing, then maybe don't, but I don't really mind it. So my keys are in here, and then I do have this in here. I obviously am pregnant right now and I don't actually need it, but just so you know, it does fit in here, and for us ladies that need it. And then I also have, my AirPods in here, which I love to use these, especially when I'm out and about. I hate holding up the phone. I honestly hate using my phone without my AirPods in general. Like, these are, if you don't have these, you should get these. But anyway, my AirPods, I do have like my ID and a debit card in here as well. Like 20 bucks just cash in case you need cash. And then I do also have a hair tie. So I feel like this is perfect for like an everyday or like just essentials that you will need. Obviously, the one thing that doesn't fit in here is my phone. My phone is freaking huge, especially with the case. So this is the XS Max iPhone. So I don't know, I guess you want that comparison as well. So this is bigger than the pochette, so obviously can't fit in here. I'm not sure if a regular size iPhone would fit in here, but at that point you're probably running the risk of it just like you're jamming it in there and possibly messing with the zipper. So if I were to go out, I would probably just, I'm gonna put everything back in here. Okay, so I have everything in here. So obviously if I'm going out, I would literally just do this, or like put this on my wrist so that way it's a little bit more secure. and just like this, and you're out the door. You can obviously always use this inside your bag, and also maybe just keep smaller stuff that you don't want like at the bottom of your bag getting lost. You could also do that. I personally, obviously I've only had it a few months now, but I haven't been able to use it that often, to be completely honest, but I freaking love it, even if it's just to not use it. It's such a cute piece, and I think it's adorable. If you can get your hands on it, good for you. Consider yourself lucky, because it's freaking hard to get, but it's definitely worth it. And yeah, so that's pretty much it, you guys. So yeah, you guys, that is it for this video. I just wanted to do like a short and sweet video, because I know the unboxing was a long-ass video and people were complaining. So again, I just wanted to show you guys what you can fit in here, and obviously I'm assuming a lot of people are on the hunt for it. So if you guys want to know how to get it, and you do want to listen to me ramble on about all the things that I did to get this piece, then watch my other video. But yeah, that is pretty much it. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like it, and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.